Hello and welcome to Vastrakala by VS Creations. Under our series of basic tailoring and sewing, we bring to you this step-by-step guide on how to hand sew a button and a buttonhole. If you're an absolute beginner, make sure to check out our earlier videos of this series on types of hemming and sewing of snap fasteners. You can find the links for these videos in the description box. Here comes the hero of all fasteners, the button and the buttonhole. To fix a button, mark the point, preferably on the center line of the placket, and keeping the button on that, make 3 or 4 stitches across the holes in any pattern you prefer. Here I am working in the pattern of a plus symbol. You can also work 2 parallel lines across the holes or as a multiplication sign across the holes. To finish, take the needle to the wrong side. Take 2 or 3 yarns from the fabric on the wrong or reverse side and encircle the thread 2 to 3 times over the needle and then pull through, thus forming a knot. For the buttonhole, mark the corresponding point on the other placket. The length of the buttonhole depends on the size of the button. As I have demonstrated here, place the placket over the button and mark the upper and lower ends. Make a straight line in between these 2 points. Fold and cut the fabric using a clipper or a scissor. To ensure you cut the right size, you can put a pin as shown here after folding the line and then give the cut. Then insert the needle just about 1 mm from the cut and make buttonhole stitches as close as possible. For making this, pierce the needle from the cut into the fabric. Take the working thread and encircle the needle and pull through downwards or towards the cut. Continue this way all through. For making buttonhole stitches, a double strand of thread would be preferable. Make stitches as close as possible in the lower and upper edges of the buttonhole. So now we all get to know why the buttonhole stitch is named so. Not just in fashion designing, but it finds extensive use in embroidery or textile designing as well. To check it out, please watch our earlier video on blanket and buttonhole stitches from the Beginner's Guide to Embroidery series. Once you reach the point where you started from, while making the last buttonhole stitch, encircle the thread twice or thrice around the needle before pulling through, thus forming a knot as well. And then clip the threads as close as possible. And ta-da! Our button and buttonhole is ready. Hope you all found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified on our future videos. Also, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share with your creative friends. See you all soon with a new tutorial.